So we'll open up rectangular pattern. And what do you think the difference is between that and circular? Yeah, it's going to be a rectangular pattern. And this is rectangular pattern. I'm not going to do a video on this one. I'm just going to do it. Again, you can do features. So whatever the feature is, the only thing I have here is a little peg sticking out. So that's a feature I'm going to select. But it could be a hole, it could be an extrusion, or anything that you could do. Now this is where it gets confusing. You have two different directions you can go. So if you look on your example, when I click direction 1, I need to pick a straight edge. Okay, so I'll pick this one. It goes up. Let's say it was going down. Right here you can flip the direction. Do you see it? So if it goes the wrong way, just flip it. That one's right. But if you look in the dialog box, I'm supposed to have how many going up? 4, I think, going up. I'm doing mine backwards from what's on there because it doesn't really matter as long as you understand the directions. It's supposed to be 4. What's the spacing supposed to be? 1. And here's what happens. I'm going to change this just so you see it. See how it changes the spacing? So I can make that so my spacing's right. Now to get the second one, I have to click the second direction. Now would I pick this edge? No. You would pick either top or bottom. Doesn't matter which one. Okay? Notice it's going what? Wrong way. So I'll flip that. It's going the right way. Now I want 6, and I want my spacing there to also be 1. You see it? Again, you can change that. When I hit apply, I get all those pegs. Now here's the cool part. This is not in here, and it doesn't show this. So I'm going to show. This would have worked in circular pattern too. Let's say I want all those except for this one. I don't want that one. You would think you might be able to just right click on it and choose something, but you can't. But you can get rid of it. And it's remember this thing over here, which is called what? Browser. See that rectangular pattern right there? If I click the plus sign, look at all the stuff that's there. What is it? All the pegs. Ready? Just watch. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Just hover, watch. See them? Right there. Do you see it? Now I'm going to right click. Take a guess of what I want to do. Suppress. And when I say suppress, it takes that one off. If I wanted another one gone, I could just right click on that and suppress. If I wanted it back, I could just right click and say unsuppress. That's kind of helpful because if you get a shape, they go off the shape, you can just suppress the ones you don't want. Okay? So I do want you to do the activity, but I also want you to try to suppress a couple.